Hi everyone, in front of me I've got iPhone 15 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and right here all we have to do is to scroll down to find General. Now let's scroll down again to find Transfer or Reset iPhone, and here simply tap on Reset. And as you can see here, we've got a lot of options to which we can reset, and on the second position we've got the option we're looking for. So let's tap on Reset Network Settings and tap on this option to confirm. And as you can see right now, we have to wait until this operation will be finished, and after that the networks will be reset successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.